Right now, a winter weather alert is in effect for millions across the Northeast. A powerful nor'easter will be bringing blizzard-like conditions from Philadelphia to Maine, and that storm is having a major impact right here in Central Florida as well. Sashel Saunders is joining us now live from Orlando International Airport, and Sashel's been telling us all morning thousands of flights have been canceled around the country. So what's it looking like now?
Well, we're inching towards 6,000 flights canceled nationwide, and then I'm just hearing that American Airlines has canceled all flights to and from New York. Southwest seems to be following suit, and United. So there are literally thousands of flights that are being canceled, hundreds here at Orlando International Airport, and travel bans getting put into effect across the Northeast. All of those things you'll want to watch if you're headed that way.
For your own safety, given the frigid temperatures, the huge amount of snow in a short period of time, the wind, stay off the streets.
Or in Florida travelers' cases, book another day at the hotel. They don't want anyone traveling in or out of East Coast cities.
We switched the train a day earlier so we could make it before the snow.
For airports and train stations, that means a lot of red. Thousands of cancellations nationwide. At OIA, more than 100 flights are already grounded for the day. And if it gets bad enough, even longer.
We're prepared. Everybody in government is fully prepared and ready. And the entire Northeast, it seems, is under a very severe winter storm warning. So let's hope it's not going to be as bad as some people are predicting.
Meteorologists say cities like New York could expect up to 2 feet of snow. Some areas will see 6 inches an hour. Travelers are warned to wait until it all passes over.
We feel like we got through the winter without any problems, and suddenly it's hitting us.
Seems to happen every March. If you are driving to the Northeast, that is also a problem. They have a travel ban in effect for those places, meaning only essential vehicles have to be out on the road. As far as these flight cancellations, they hope to resume normal flights tomorrow, but of course that means everyone who was canceled today will be trying to get in tomorrow, so you can expect delays and even some cancellations tomorrow depending on how this storm goes. But for now, you can head to clickorlando.com and of course watch News 6. And we'll be keeping track for you travelers who are trying to head back home or head to the Northeast for spring break. And if you have family up there who's trying to come down here, they will also have a hard time doing that as well. And this is supposed to be just pretty much for the next day or two. But for now, reporting live at OIA, Sashel Saunders, News 6.